Hello guys, and welcome to Watches in Europe, a channel dedicated exclusively to watches. If you are new to the channel and enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe, as I would love to see you around. Now let's get to the video. Here are my 5 reasons why you should buy the Casio G-Shock GM-2100. First of all, you get the popular royal oak designed by Gerald Genta for only $200. You get this beautiful octagonal case shape that still keeps the G-Shock DNA, something that other brands fail to do. You can start as low as $100 for the GA-2100 and make your way up to the full stainless steel version for $550. 2. This is an elegant G-Shock. In my opinion, this is one of the most beautiful G-Shock watches ever made. It is very rare that you find an elegant, affordable watch, let alone a G-Shock watch. The Casioak has been a success because of its presence on the wrist. Make no mistake, this watch will get you a ton of compliments and people will be amazed that this is a G-Shock. 3. This is the best G-Shock watch for medium-sized wrists. I have a wrist of around 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches, and this GM-2100 fits perfectly. It feels very comfortable on the wrist and it is very easy to adjust it. And with the release of the mini Casioak, this can now be a great watch for small wrists as well. 4. You have different colors to choose from. I went with this particular green model, but there are now a dozen variations to choose from. You can choose the color you like the most: blue, black, gray, and even red or rose gold. You can also mod your Casioak and change the hour markers, the case, the color, and so on. Would you mod your Casio G-Shock watch? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. 5. You get a digital analog G-Shock watch with a ton of functions and features, including 200 meters of water resistance. This Casio GM-2100 B3A boasts a multitude of useful features. To name a few, we have world time, 32 time zones, a stopwatch, a countdown timer, 5 alarms, double LED light, calendar up to 2099, 12/24 hour format, as well as your basic hour, minute, second, AM, PM time and date display. I have a full guide on how to use all the functions and features on my secondary channel, so make sure to check the link in the description box below in order to know everything there is to know about your Casioak. Also, I have a more in-depth video on the channel about the Casio GM-2100, so make sure to check it out. So guys, that was the video. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you own a Casioak? Do you plan on buying one after you watch this video? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next video.